Hi, I'm Connie from Free Busher by the River, and I just have a short video today to announce the winner of the Greta 60 millimeter rotary cutter and the 4 fat quarters of Quilt Town that was donated to me by Missouri Star Quilt Company. And then I used the rest of the fat quarter. This was a fat quarter bundle, and the rest of it I used to make my stacks quilt. And this took me a little while because I had to get the quilt done. But as you can see, beautiful quilt. This is of the fabrics Quilt Town. And then I just put a muslin on the back. Beautiful quilt. Okay, and this is my stacks pattern. You can find a link below. The winner today is Janet Fedor 7885. I'll put that down below, and please email me so you can send me your address. I can send you the price. Thank you, and thank you for everyone that entered. I'll be having more giveaways soon. Thank you.